Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites and taking the quickest wins. Stop Apache and MySQL in XAMPP, then run the control panel as administrator so permission changes can apply. Once done, read the exact error message, knowing whether it's an authentication failure or a port conflict directs the next step. Make sure configuration files are accessible. Open httpd. Conf and my. Deny with elevated rights so edits will save. Now you're ready to tackle authentication or port issues with confidence. You'll now address authentication and mismatched configuration. If MySQL denies access, reset the root password from the command line or via phpMyAdmin if you can log in. This fixes credentials fastest. Next, ensure Deny and XAMPP config. Inc. PHP reflect the same socket, host, and username. Inconsistent paths cause silent denials. If remote access is required, change bind address or grant privileges for % carefully. When you edit configs, save and finish by ruling out port and permission blockers. If Apache can't start, change ports from 80/443 to alternative values or stop services like IIS that claim those ports, then restart XAMPP. Test MySQL with MySQL uroot and open http://localhost to verify Apache. If access is still denied, inspect file system permissions for XAMPP folders and read the Apache and MySQL logs. Those entries explain persistent failures. One troubleshooting tip: tail the logs while restarting services to catch errors in real time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.